You know I don't settle down with any of my clients, okay? So we need to stop this conversation.
You know, there's so beautiful of us here. You're 35 years old.
35.
You still act like a little boy.
I thought I was 21, but people do think that I'm 18.
Girl is a problem, girl is a problem.
This is my house. We're not even together
Look,
anymore.
it doesn't matter. I don't
If
care.
anything,
He gotta go.
no.
Or I could make him leave. You know that, right? You know I don't play that shit. You know I could make him leave.
Oh, fool. There's no such thing as God.
Damn. Let me have a piece in that ass.
You better not fucking touch me.
Mimi, try harder. You leave my son alone! I